Hi, I am Dr. Sheila Sapp of Sheila E. Cares Educational Consulting and Services, and I have a quick tip for you today. I am holding an empty box of cereal. But guys, this is a cost-effective instructional tool. If you have a young pre-K student or a kindergartner at home, they can use this empty cereal box to practice their letters. They can also review the colors and rhyming words. Let me show you real quick. Do they know that this uppercase C and the lowercase letter C are the same? They can also find the other letters of the alphabet, and they should be able to recognize the different fonts. They can also count how many raisins are on the box. And I note on the back, you have a picture of the sun. Can they tell you what rhymes with sun? And again, we have some more raisins, and then they can count up all of the raisins and tell you which side of the box has more raisins than the other side. And under the sun, it says, smile your way through the day. Way and day. They sound alike at the end. They're rhyming words. So this is just a quick tip to show you how you can use an empty cereal box as an instructional activity. So you take care and be safe, and don't forget, Sheila E. cares. Bye.